Good afternoon, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP, future millionaire with a side bet on XLM, and future Digibyte OG. Why am I in a good mood today? Because I get to do my first commodities episode. I told you I'd do it when gold finally broke 1800. I told you I bought that stuff at 1774 last night to finish off a long-standing gold to get up to a certain amount before it broke out. It's been going back a year and a half, and I finally finished off my first, roughly 4 ounces of gold almost. Well, not quite 4, but we're getting there. So, gold and silver have broken through long-time resistance levels. Gold at 1800 came back down to a great inversion in the 1 minute. I'm telling you guys, this could be the push to 2000. If you want to get into some commodities, I'm doing a commodities episode right now. AAU at 54 cents. This son of a bitch will be at $2, possibly by earnings. I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to make you some real money in the commodities market. This is so fucking cheap at 54 cents. If this is a real breakout, we're going to come back on here in 4 or 5 days and AAU is going to be over $1. I'm also in GPL at 78 cents. These are all about the fucking breakout. They've been consolidating for months. This is not XRP episode. This is commodities episode, this one. So if you don't want to watch it, get the fuck out of here. But you need to hear this because I'm a commodities guy more than any of this other shit. So like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. Should you take my advice? No motherfucking way you should unless you're paying attention to the charts. And in this case, this ain't even a crypto show. So if you're bitching about crypto in my comments, I'm blocking you. If anybody bitches about crypto in my commodities segment, you're gone, period. If you blame me for something in my commodities segment, I'm banning you. Even if you're an OG, I'm banning you. So watch this and don't fuck with me. This is a passion of mine in the commodities, so you will be hearing about it at least once or twice a week from now on. Special segments, because this is what I like. And I told you, once it broke 1800, I was going to tell you. Silver's breaking out as well. And my portfolio in silver is a lot bigger than gold. I started buying silver at $16 an ounce, a lot of it. I've got around 150 ounces of silver we're getting to, maybe a little bit more now. And you figure at $16 an ounce, $18 an ounce average, maybe around 19. This portfolio is pushing up pretty good now. But we had that push up I've been telling you guys. I really, really, really was waiting for this. I'm telling you, I came on too because AAU's at 54 cents. So if you guys are in the stock market, pull some of that shit out of your other things and throw it in commodities. I'm telling you right now, you'll thank me later. Send me a donation later. No, I'm serious. I'm going to make you so much money on AAU. I would take AAU over GPL just because before this is all coiled up now. AAU, remember when I bought it at 46 cents on air? Or showed you on air? It's been a while, but I've been sitting on it. But look where it came from, guys. I told myself when this one was back down in this price range, I would never miss it again. Just in the short term, we were at $1.30 when the prices were right over around 1800 per ounce of gold. But the all-time high with this guy, we're talking, we've got 600%, 700%, maybe 800% to the all-time highs. This thing was trading over consistently in the 140 range for a while. And then gold dumped. And we've been waiting a long time for it to come back up to these levels. I mean, I've waited a long time to tell you to buy this. Look where it came from. You're talking, in the short term, 300-400% on AAU. I can't guarantee that on you for any other crypto. I can tell you in the commodities market, AAU, if you sit on this for a month or two, oh man, I'm telling you right now, I've got 5,600 shares at 46.5 cents. So let's see what it cost me to get it. $5,600. It's a little bit over $5,600, but for argument's sake, we'll say $5,500 because I know it's over 56 guaranteed. Times 0.468. So it cost me $2,574. Oh, no, that's not right. It was 0.4. I'm sorry, I'm not going to lie. 486. What am I doing? $2,673. So a $2,673 investment right now alone, you know, it's at 5.4, we'll just say 6. Yeah, because I'm over $3,000 on it. So I made $600 already on this. You know, while our fucking other shit is dicking around. But I told you guys when I bought AAU the reason for it. If it gets up, this is what I'm saying though, guys. If this even pushes back up to $1.40, you know, where it was at, where it's going to get back to with relative ease now that gold's going to push up, you're talking $7,700. If it gets to $1.80 on a $2,700 investment, guys, 10 grand. God forbid it gets back up in the short term to over 3. I'm telling you, there's secret gold mines away from crypto, literally gold mines. And I've been waiting to do this for a long time because you guys know I have a true passion in commodities, so I have a physical arrangement of it. I mean, it's 5,481. Just on the breakout in silver of almost 3.5%, and gold at it doesn't seem like a lot, but 1,800 has been fucking major resistance. You know, we're going back all the way now. We're coiled up. Look at this. The last time it broke this level, when we dipped from right here at the 1,800 mark, when we got rejected for the last time, you know, that's back in February. You know, when we started showing that we're fucked, that's all the way there. But look at how long it's been since we were at 2,000. Now you're going back to December. Now, if we break it back even farther, we had a huge run up right here. We have not come back to it. That's back all the way into July. This thing has been coiling up for damn near a fucking year. If you know anything about gold, if you know anything about commodities, eventually when the breakout happens, yeah, it takes a long time, but if you get it at the right time, or if you build like I have, and thankfully I listened to Peter Schiff, thankfully I've been listening to my brother over the last couple of years, because he's a big commodities guy. You know, he's starting a show on YouTube, and if he does it right, I'm going to start plugging it because he's got more information than I do, even on commodities. He'll give you all that shit. He'll give you the corn and wheat and all these bullshit metals that I couldn't give two shit about, and all these, you know, fucking farming index and all this bullshit, which is a great tool to have, but I'm not interested in digging that deep. I'll give you the upfront commodities coverage, but once he gets his channel going, I know he's starting to get subscribers now. He's at, you know, my level when I first started, that first week or two. But if you guys are interested, you know, let me know in the comments and I'll give you his page. He does commodities. He's outspoken too, you know, he's a full-blooded Italian. So, might not be exactly the same way I do it, but he's a smart guy. He knows the charts. Especially when it comes to commodities. With all this other shit, he'll cost himself money because he lets emotion. But with commodities, he's watched it so much. He's like, I don't give a fuck. I'm buying. And he's got so much money in GPL and AAU and the GSFC and all this other crap. The Shift Gold Fund. He's got, you know, and he's gonna laugh at everybody here right now. This is his time. So his channel's gonna start growing and it's gonna be fun to watch. But I'm just telling you, you can't put it all in crypto. Commodities right now are going to go fucking nuts. And they're so cheap. Like, AAU, I'm telling you, I didn't tell you to buy it at $1.40. Like, this is where I would be kicking myself in the nuts. You son of a bitch. You said every time you're going to buy AAU when it's this cheap. And I did at 48 cents this time. I watched it 3 separate times go from 48 cents. Me and my brother both did. 48 cents to $2, or 48 cents to $1.40, or 48 cents to $1.25 on the final one. This time he called me. He called me when AAU was at 48 cents or 50 cents. 48, I think it was 48 because I bought it right when he called me. He's like, you know how we always say, we're not going to let this blow by us? Well, we've let it do it 3 times, and he's like, this is our last chance. He's like, we're so lucky it's at where it's at, and even if it goes down, if there was a bottom end potential of like 38 cents, 30, maybe 28, and he said he'd just double it, and I said, all right, I'm down. So I bought 5,500, and when I told him, he's like, motherfucker, you ain't having, you know, so he bought a bunch. But he's already got a lot of GPL. He's got more than me. And like I said, he's in the Shift Gold Fund and all this other crap that I'm not in because I'm in crypto. And it's not crap. It's actually long-term portfolio building where at the end of the day, you know, You might not get a 600% gain all at once, but year over year, your intrinsic value on your file is going up. So pay attention to what I'm saying right here. If you guys have a little bit of money, if you can buy, I'm just saying, whatever you put in here, look at it to double or triple. You're looking at a 1 to 200% minimum from 54 cents. Minimum. We're getting to $1.10 before you can even blink. You're doubling this right away. I'm telling you, this is going to be the easiest fucking money you've ever made. And if we did go down to fucking, which I don't think we are now that gold broke over 1,800, gold's not going back down. That was not just a pussy move. Look at that inversion it's on in the 4 hour. That is spectacular. And for how long it's been coiled up, since back in February, I mean, guys, it doesn't take a rocket scientist. Gold's resistance level was 1,800 and it just fucking blew past it to 1,814 before it even thought. We've been coiled up here since February, March, April. It's been 3 fucking months. And every time it would go up, it'd come back down a little bit. Then it would sit around for a few days. Now, we're getting somewhere. I'm telling you guys, take this seriously. I'm T-Speak at 222 XRP Future Millionaire with a side bet on XM and Future Digibyte OG. And a pretty large stake in the commodities market, as you guys know. So if you're a commodities guy, stick around, because this is going to be a daily segment, maybe once or twice a week, or once a day, depending on how much my commodities move up. Because make no mistake about it, I've got far more money in commodities than I do with crypto. Like, that's not even fucking close, guys. Especially my physical portfolio. Between GPL and AAU, I've got a good $5,000 in it. So, you know, if they start doing what I need, I could be looking at a pretty significant life-changing amount while I'm waiting for my crypto. On a lesser of a sour note, I buy it down 6.82%, and I missed on capitalizing it, selling it when I had that huge pump. Could still sell it now, but I'm a fucking moron and lost a couple $100 today. But, you know, I'm in the long position, so we wait. Grand scheme of things, it's up 25% in the last couple days. But still. And a positive news, you can get this so cheap. I'm going to say, warning. This greatest, what am I going to say? You know, I'm going to just say, warning. Breakout happening as we speak. So, guys, have a good one. If you want to donate, links in the description. You should be donating because I give you time-tested information. And I give you shit that you'll never hear anywhere else on a crypto channel. Commodities? Come on, most of these guys don't even know what a fucking commodity is. You tell them gold, they say, oh, that's gold. Yeah, but what is it? A commodity? What the fuck's a commodity? Yeah, exactly. So, you can trust T-Speak at 222. He's going to make sure we have lifetime wealth. That's all I want to do. If you guys pay attention, you're going to be wealthy beyond your wildest dreams. And it doesn't just happen in crypto. Stay blessed.